Okay, now let's have a look at question 20. It does look scary. I've got a glass of wine to help me through, but you're just going to have to suffer. And I've highlighted OA, what they mean by OA. That's the length from O to A, so from the origin over to A. And OB is the origin to B, yeah? No, I don't need to have those there. So if I have question A, the distance from O to A, well, that's the absolute value of OA. Well, OA goes from 0 to negative C on A, so that's the absolute value of negative C on A, which is just C on A. The absolute value of OB, same deal, it's the absolute value of negative C on B, because that's what they said in the diagram, C on B. The area of triangle AOB area is half times the base times the height. It is just a triangle. The base is OA, which was C on A. The height is OB, which is C on B, which means we've got half times C on A times C on B. So the area is C squared, that's a terrible squared, C squared over 2AB. And now they'd like us to look at it in a slightly different way. They've also said the area equals half times P times the absolute value from A to B. Now, that absolute value from A to B, they're talking about this length diagonally here. So let's have a look at that length. It's a right-angled triangle. So that length squared equals the other two lengths squared added together. So OA squared plus OB squared. OA was, well, that was C on A squared plus C on B squared. So AB squared equals C squared on A squared plus C squared on B squared. So AB must be the square root of that. Which means I can rewrite triangle AOB area as half P root C squared on A squared plus C squared on B squared. Okay, now let's have a look at C. Equate your answers and find P. So we know that the area equals this. So that area equals that, but it also equals this funky thing here. So this is going to help us find the length of this one across here, yeah? I'll do that in a smaller kind of thing because at the moment I feel like it's dominating. Yeah. Which means I can say that, well, C squared over 2AB equals half times P times the square root of C squared over A squared plus C squared over B squared. This next one is not going to be very pretty. And it's not going to end up being a nice simplified answer. Yeah, the more I think about it, the less nice it's going to be. I'm going to times both answers by 2 to get rid of those things. Actually, I'm going to divide, I'm going to times them both by 2. I just hate that half on the right. So that's C squared over AB equals P times the square root of this monstrosity, C squared over A squared plus C squared over B squared, which means P is equal to c squared over ab divided by this thing, c squared over a squared plus c squared over b squared, which means p equals c squared over ab times this thing, c squared over a squared plus c squared over b squared. And that's literally it. Like it ain't nice. Yeah. That's C. Now D. Now use shifting to find a formula for the distance from this point P to the line AX plus BY equals plus C equals 0. Oh my gosh. That's terrible. And also it's not actually in the course, so if you can't do this, don't freak out. But yeah, I'm actually not going to do that. And that means we're not going to do this one either. It's not in the course. It's too late. We're not going to do it. To cheer you up, I'm going to show you Henry again. Is he still here? Hey, dude. Hello, gorgeous. Hello. Henry. Puss, puss, puss. Hello. That's it. That's maths for today.